Welcome to part 2 of the profile tutorial. I'm Freighter from PHP Classic 2013. So, in last part we did the test on profile on the page profiles, but did occur on error. So, I will fix this error right now. We're going to say here, yeah, uh, here session start first of all. Let's try this again, and if we're going to refresh this, it seems that it has the same error. Alright, we're going to delete this line. We're going to say this, that here alright, we're going to just put like before and try to see if this is correct. Alright, then we're going to here refresh the page. It's still the same error. Alright, so let's see. Alright, users, alright, beginning. Hey, alright, I found the error. The stupid error is because the die function, or the die statement, breaks everything. So it deletes every script on here, and that doesn't allow the rest to do it. So if we're going to say echo and we delete this parenthesis here and say this, and then we're going to here and then refresh this page, it doesn't appear nothing. But if we go in, say this again, Sam and 1 2 3, then yeah, here's something else. Oh yeah, in line 26. So, but I will fix that things. So, welcome to your profile. Oh yeah, I know there is a problem. So the problem is here because it's like this, not with 2 equals. So let's bring this back to the not the login index page. So we're going to say Sam, then 1 2 3, and then we're going to say alright. And as you can see, Sam is doing well. The problem was easy because die, as I told, die breaks everything and delete everything that is on the script. So if this die and it's logged with success, and the die function will delete the session, and it won't make it on here. And here it isn't 2 equals because it means that some statement. This 2 equals is a statement. This is just the session needs to be equals to this one. So login page is done. Now it's time to continue with for now we're going to let this, and when we have everything, we're going to delete that and make it better. So we're going to here on the database, and where it is here on Sam, we're going to just need the Sam for now. A simple one is very quickly things. First of all, we're going to say Sam and the email. So the Sam can be example.com and country USA. Birthday, we could put a date here, but I prefer this, and then we're going to say like 0505 and year. It's not mine, so I just think quickly about one date, so it came to my head, this one. Now we have to put the full name. We can put it like Sam Jones, something like this, and then we can go. Everything is right, as you can see, and now let's start to programming the PHP and the profile page. So first of all, we need the HTML codes as well. So the title, it will be we're going to say sorry, it's here. We create here a PHP tag. So why I put here a PHP tag? Because I will do this. We're going to put the session of username, the name of username, as you can see. Sorry, it's already there. So we're going to say like this, and we close the title, we close the head, and we're going to open the body, close the body, and close the HTML. So here what you're going to do is just, first of all, I love to create tables, but before that I'm going to here, and as you can see it just appears like this, but it's just simple. For now it just appeared like that. Now, but we can see on the title of the tab here, on Firefox tab, we can see the name of user and say profile. But we can do something else and something different for this case. We're going to here, and then we're going to say $section username, not username, sorry, full name equals full name. So we don't have the variable full name, so where are we going to put it? I will say we're going to put it inside the while statement. It's so very easy because we need to put this like this, and then we're going to say the row and the row, and then you're going to say full name. Close this. Alright, why it's here? It's here because we're going to pick it at the database in the table for the full name. So it's so easy and nice. And why it's here, and you can log in with the username, and if you wanted you could log in with the full name, but it's not appropriate to log in with the full name. So then we're going to say here, it's like in this one it's Sam, but here we're going to say just full name. Alright, and then we're going to save, and then we come here, and as you can see the title, it brings something that I wasn't expect. because of the full name things. We have some problem and I will fix it quickly. Alright. Full name, it's here. In section full name equals full name. So not really. Let's see the problem. Session username, session full name. Oh yeah, the problem is on here. So the full name. Yeah, I did it this well, so I'm not just let's see where it is the error. Session full name print. Alright, for now let's just put it, and then when I figure out I will tell you how to do it. So for now we're going to just say like the SAM's profile. We go into here to the rest of the programmation. Alright, so I save it, and now we're going to create these tables. I really love these tables. Alright, create the rows. Let's just close the row, and then we're going to create the columns. Super nice. Username. Here we're gonna say username. Then we keep PHP print, and then we're gonna say username. Then close this one. Everything it's on here. Then password. This oh sorry, not password. Password is confidential. So here we're gonna say country. PHP print, and then we're gonna say country. Yeah, for now we're gonna just say these two. Just let's close the table here. Alright, here not this one. Oh yeah, this was my last login tutorial, so but it doesn't matter. Alright, here on profile, why this appears like this one, this thing? It's very easy to tell you why, because we don't have a variable username or country, so we don't have PHP script that has a variable, because we are only creating the tables here. But to see that, we're going to we have to connect again to the database. But instead that, we're going to just do something else, something different. We're going to say include, and then we're gonna put it like config. No, we're going to say connect. Instead we're going that PHP. Instead we type it always. We can just do this, and then we're going here and do this. Copy this thing into a new one. Oh yeah, but I forgot something. Yeah, we need to close this and open PHP tags, otherwise it won't work. So we're going to do the connect.php file. Just save this like this. I prefer like this. Alright, now we're going just to create the variables. So we query the query variable. It will be MySQL query. Then we're going to select all from users where username equals username. So this will give me an error because we don't have this username statement. So what we're going to do is come here and create a username, and then say that session in username. That's simple. Alright, now we need to say if before that we need to row equals MySQL num rows, then a query variable, then you're going to say if row different than 0, then do something, otherwise do other thing, but I prefer like this. Alright, for now we're going to say while dollar rows equals MySQL fetch assoc, then query variable, then say that we need the here it will be user. It can be username. So here we're gonna say username is a boot, so we don't need a username for now. We're gonna say dollar country variable equals rows, then country, for example these two only, and then we did this everything. So we're going to here and then refresh this page. So as you can see, we're going to pick it, the username and the country. This is your information for now. You can do it with all. I will just put this too because I don't want too much draw. So for now we're going to create a form action. And then here the status, we don't going to put it as a Ajax script or jQuery script. We're going to just put a PHP and MySQL script. That means that isn't instantaneous. So alright, we're going to do action like this because we're going to refresh it as the same page, and then we're going to just put here some input type text, then name it as status stat. Alright, we're going to say a name as status, and then we're going to say on this on blur equals this dot value, then we're going to do like this, and we're going to say what you what are you thinking about. Then we're going to say on focus, we're going to say the same thing that we did with the blur, so it's this that value, and then we're going to say what are you thinking about it about. Then we're going to say on click. On click, you can do the two ways. We're gonna just do this, and then on click this that value, and then nothing. Here it's nothing. So let's save this and let's see how it is. You're going to refresh this page and nothing appears. So yeah, as you can feel, sorry, nothing here, as you can see, because I forgot something. So we're going to pick this and copy it and make it as value. Value equals this. So if we go into here and then refresh it, it says what are you thinking about it, and then we click, it's nothing, and if you what are you thinking, alright, this is small, so what we're going to do is just put the size, try to put the size little, let's try this, small, yeah, this is too big, but it can be. So what you here before this, you need to do break line, yeah, break line, 2 break lines, and then says a paragraph or says stats. Alright, save this, and as you can see, stats. What are you thinking about? What oh sorry, we have some here. What are you thinking about it? Yeah, is this. Now it's everything fine. So this seems too big, so what you're going to do is just come to here and put this like, instead we're going to put it like 100 and refresh it. Alright, now it's better, and we just put in the other line, we're going to say input type equals text, not text, so submit name as, then value post. So this it's been a long it has passed a long time, so it will be it see you next time.